Guys, I have to make my YouTube presentation video. Frick is up YouTube. It's your boy Skinny Penis back, and we in that episode today with your girl, Sophie Sneed. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So this is my slideshow. Okay. Anyways, this is a presentation I made on the nature of solids. I know it's inverted right now, so just give me a second and I'll edit it into normal. Okay, so to begin with, this is a presentation by Malaya and Sophie Sneed. To start, what are solids and how do they work? Well, most solids are made of tightly packed atoms, molecules, or ions. Most solids have melting points. There are different types of solids, and solids are not liquids or gases. Example of a solid: rock. What is melting point? Melting point is the temperature at which a solid turns. I'll have to finish this when I get back from lunch. Lunch is over and I'm back in my grind. What is melting point? Melting point is the temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. Not all solids have a melting point. In general, ionic solids have higher melting points because they have stronger forces holding them together. But molecular solids have lower melting points. Some liquids can be refrozen. Oops. Example of a solid that can be melted and refrozen: ice. What is an amorphous solid? An amorphous solid is any non-crystalline solid that does not keep the atoms and molecules in a definite pattern. An example of an amorphous solid: dots that are scattered out. What is a crystalline solid? A collection of individual atoms, ions, or whole molecules organized in repeating patterns. An example of a crystalline solid is bismuth, because of the way that the crystal forms in a crystalline pattern. Another example of a crystalline solid is all together very nicely. What is the difference between an amorphous solid and a crystalline solid? Well, particles in a crystalline solid are arranged in an orderly repeating pattern, or lattice. Particles in an amorphous solid are arranged randomly. Example of differences: crystalline is all put together, amorphous is all scattered randomly. In conclusion, solids are matter that have defined shapes. Solids can be melted, and once melted, refrozen. Solids are being held together very tightly by atoms, molecules, or ions. Thanks for listening. That's my presentation.
Party, party, party. Pass me a cup, I'll take a shot to the head like yada, yada, yada.